How to record on Snapchat while playing music with headphones. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about recording on Snapchat while playing music in headphones. So follow the steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now tap on it to launch the application. Once you open your Snapchat application and log into your account, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down to notifications section, that is just between the partner connections and Bitmoji option. Tap on it and ensure that all the notifications are turned on. So click on enable notifications and also make sure to enable permissions for all the relevant options. So by completing these steps, you will be able to record on Snapchat while listening to music with your headphones. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.